This is how you pay for your parking. So you got a choice of Ringo or pay at the pay station, which you have to do the registration. So you have to check in. You have to press this button to check in. So you do have to collect a ticket. So it is pay and display. There we are.
Going up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
This is the lift at Hooper's in Tunbridge, Wales. It used to be an Otis. It's been modernised by ThyssenKrupp with Leicester. Capacity 4 persons.
Floor 3.
4 persons, 6 kilos.
Doors opening.
The indicator doesn't work properly. It says 2008 on it as well.
Floor 3. Doors opening.
It's got a window.
Going down. Lower ground
Lower
floor.
ground. We'll finish on G.
Doors opening. Going up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up. Ground floor. Doors opening.
This is the lifts at Torrington car park in Tunbridge Wells. Capacity 16 persons, 1250 kilos. It's an unknown lift with digital lift controls. Only one's working, the voice is broken, and it keeps chiming. This is hydraulic, high hydraulic. Here we are, G. There it goes, and that's it. This is the lift at Town Hall car park. I don't know what the name of it is. No, Crescent Road car park in Tunbridge, Wales. Capacity 6 persons, 450 kilos. It's a notice. It's been modernised with Leicester. It's got 70s Dewhurst. Didn't expect 70s Dewhurst. This is a glass lift at the Royal Victoria Place in Tunbridge, Wales. So you can see it used to be a cone, it's been modernised. This is the top. Oh, it's been modernised by 21st century lifts. I think it's got digital lift controls. Yeah, it's got digital lift controls logic. So it was a cone, it's been modernised by 21st century with digital lift controls, and it's a hydraulic. It's a glass one too.
This lift is going down.
Down to G. Capacity 16 persons, 1200 kilos. This is glass and it's hydraulic. It's got Leicester buttons.
Floor 0.
Lot 0.
Doors opening.
Leicester buttons, but a digital lift controls logic. It's a very nice lift. It used to have 90s Leicester buttons as well.
Floor 3. Doors opening. Doors closing.
There it goes.
Floor 0.
No sign in the pit. Yeah, it's a hydraulic. Let's just have a look over here. No sign. The lift at Boots is not working. And this is Boots in Tunbridge, Wales. That's a shame. This is the lift at Fenwick in Tunbridge, Wales.
Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
Capacity 26 persons, 2,000 kilos. It's an elevator lift services limited lift. I think it used to be a Keithley Schindler. It's been modernised with Leicester controls. And more recently,
Lower ground floor.
the buttons have been replaced with boring modern
Doors
Leicester
opening.
over the 90s.
Going up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
This used to be 90s Leicester.
Going up.
All buttons were originally 90s Leicester. It's only the door open, door close
Upper ground floor.
that are 90s Leicester now.
Doors opening.
This is the lift at Meadow Road car park in Tunbridge, Wales. There used to be a Cone M series. It's been modernised by 21st century lifts with Stentergate and ILE. Capacity 13 persons, 975 kilos.
Doors closing.
This is the lift at Marks and Spencer in
Lift going up.
Tunbridge, Wales. It used to be a UK and Furs lift. It's been refurbished by
First floor.
Guideline with hydroware.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Doors opening. Doors
PVC
closing.
trick does not work. Instead, door closes when I press the button. I like
Going
that.
down.
Capacity 14 persons, 1,100 kilos, modernised in 2023.
Ground floor.
It's a guideline with hydroware.
Doors
Part of
opening.
Kleeman.
Doors closing.
There it goes, and that's it. It's a Stanner lift. Capacity 8 persons, 680 kilos. It's an older Stanner. That's G. Door closes when I press the button. G. This is another glass lift at the Royal Victoria Place Shopping Centre in Tunbridge, Wales. This also used to be a Cone M series. This one's been modernised by 21st century lifts with Leicester controls. Can't go to 3. Capacity 16 persons, 1,200 kilos. See, that gives it away that this used to be a Cone M series. Go back down to G. This is also hydraulic.
Ground floor.
RG. Let's take this up and let's look at the pit. It's a bit slow, this one. It's not as good as the other one. There we go. So there's the hydraulics. There's the sign. It's got a blue exclamation mark. And there we are. That button's been replaced. It's a shame it's not going up to 3. And we'll finish on 2. And that's a 90s Leicester button there. Up we go. There's no glass ceiling in this one. Get a view out the window here. It's very nice. There it goes. And that's it. This is the top floor of the Royal Victoria Place in Royal Victoria Place car park in Tunbridge, Wales. And this is the other set of lifts, which used to be Cone M series, and they've been modernised by amalgamated with ILE. These do not serve the 9th floor.
Doors closing. Going down.
Capacity 16 persons, 1200 kilos.
Floor 6. Floor 3. Going down. Floor 1.
Go back up to 6.
Going up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Actually, we'll go back up to 4.
Going up. Floor 4.
This is the lifts at the Royal Victoria Place Shopping Centre car park in Tunbridge, Wales. And these used to be Cone M series lifts. They've been modernised by amalgamated with an ILE logic and DMG buttons. And the indicator's a bit broken there. See which one we get. We've got both lifts come up. See which one's empty. We'll ride this one. Go down to 1. Capacity 16 persons, 1250 kilos. You can't see the floors go by. 16 persons, 1200 kilos. Go back up to 5. amalgamated lift. Different colours. Different colours on the indicator. So to check out, you tap or insert your card. Huh? Checking out, please take ticket.